Um, and then remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And today, let's dive into a captivating world of cinema and explore the newest masterpiece by the talented Andrea Arnold Bird. Have you ever witnessed a film that leaves you pondering long after the credits roll? Uh, if your answer is yes, then buckle up, because Bird is that film. Uh, you're perhaps familiar with Barry Keoghan's enigmatic performance, wearing tattoos and leading a drug dealer crew in an attempt to charm a toad. Well, this film has that and so much more. Arnold's latest feature, titled Bird, might just be the talk of the award season, but is it too unconventional for the Academy's recognition? If you yearn for a captivating drama that takes you on a journey of self-discovery and delivers an extraordinary performance by Franz Rogowski, then Bird is the film for build by sitting. And Rogowski, the cherished protagonist, delivers a stunning and award-worthy performance in a story filled with themes that are both relatable and thought-provoking. In Bird, our protagonist Bailey, played powerfully by Nikia Adams, takes center stage. Adams' emotionally profound portrayal will leave you emotionally stirred by the end. So if you're eager to witness the finest films of the year, then don't miss out on Arnold's latest masterpiece. Now, what's truly captivating about Bird is that Arnold offers fresh inspiration, drawing on themes of class, adolescence, and sexuality that were also present in her remarkable works like Fish Tank and Wuthering Heights. It's truly a treat for cinephiles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and spread the word about a mesmerizing Bird. Uh, uh, Remember, it's always better when we share the joy of cinema together.